Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best productivity apps, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end, and all the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Let's talk about staying safe online with NordVPN, the ultimate tool for your digital privacy. Imagine browsing the web without worrying about hackers, trackers, or anyone snooping on your personal data. With NordVPN, you can connect to over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, ensuring you have fast, secure access to the internet wherever you are. One of the coolest features? The automatic kill switch. If your connection drops, NordVPN immediately cuts off your internet access, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. Plus, with military-grade encryption, you can trust that your online activity is shielded from anyone trying to peek in. But it's not just about security. NordVPN also lets you access geo-restricted content. Want to catch your favorite show that's only available in another country? Just connect to a server there, and you're all set. Using the app is super easy, too. Just a few taps, and you're connected. Plus, it works on all major platforms, whether you're using iOS, Android, or even your desktop. And hey, if you're ever unsure, their 24/7 customer support is just a click away. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the second app of the list. Let's explore Slack, the productivity app that's transforming the way teams communicate and collaborate. Imagine a workspace where messages flow seamlessly, projects stay organized, and everyone is on the same page. With Slack, you can create channels for specific projects or topics, making it easy to keep conversations focused and relevant. Need to chat one-on-one or in small groups? Slack's direct messaging feature lets you connect quickly without cluttering your channels. Plus, you can share files, images, and even videos right within your chats, so everything you need is in one place. But that's not all. Slack integrates with over 2,000 apps, including Google Drive, Trello, and Zoom. This means you can manage your tasks, schedule meetings, and collaborate on documents without ever leaving the platform. And don't worry about missing important updates. Slack's notification system is customizable, so you can choose what alerts you want to receive, keeping distractions to a minimum. For remote teams, Slack is a game changer. With features like threaded conversations and the ability to react with emojis, it helps maintain team spirit, no matter where everyone is located. Okay, let's move towards the third app of the list. We're diving into ToggleTrack, the ultimate time tracking tool designed to boost your productivity. Ever wonder where your time goes? With ToggleTrack, you can easily log hours spent on various tasks, helping you understand how you really spend your day. Just hit start when you begin a task, and stop when you're done. It's that simple. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to categorize your time by projects or clients, so you can see exactly how much time is spent on what. Plus, with detailed reports, you can analyze your productivity patterns and make informed decisions to improve your workflow. Need to keep track of your time across devices? No problem. ToggleTrack syncs seamlessly across desktop, mobile, and even browser extensions, so you can log your hours anytime, anywhere. But it doesn't stop there. ToggleTrack also integrates with many popular tools like Trello, Asana, and Slack, making it a powerful addition to your productivity toolkit. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger team, ToggleTrack helps you stay accountable and ensures that you're making the most of your time. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fourth app of the list. Now we're exploring Rike, the powerful productivity app that helps teams streamline their project management and collaboration. With Rike, you can easily create and organize tasks, set deadlines, and assign team members all in one place. The customizable dashboards give you a clear overview of your projects, so you can see what's on track and what needs attention. Need to keep everyone in the loop? Reich's real-time updates ensure that all team members are informed about changes and progress, making communication seamless. Plus, you can comment directly on tasks, keeping discussions organized and focused. One of Reich's standout features is its powerful Gantt chart, which helps you visualize your project timelines and dependencies. This way, you can identify potential bottlenecks before they become issues. And for those of you who love integrations, Reich connects with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Salesforce, making it a versatile addition to your workflow. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating a large team, Reich adapts to your needs with its flexible project templates and advanced reporting features. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Okay, let's move towards the fifth app of the list. Now let's dive into Miro, the collaborative online whiteboard that's revolutionizing teamwork and creativity. Imagine a space where you can brainstorm, plan, and collaborate in real time, no matter where your team is located. With Miro, you can create interactive boards filled with sticky notes, diagrams, and images, making it easy to visualize your ideas. Miro's user-friendly interface allows you to drag and drop elements, so you can design flowcharts, mind maps, and even wireframes in just a few clicks. Plus, with a variety of templates available, you can get started quickly without having to start from scratch. Collaboration is at the heart of Miro. Invite team members to join your boards, where everyone can contribute simultaneously, leaving comments and feedback directly on the canvas. This makes it perfect for brainstorming sessions, workshops, and planning meetings. And don't worry about keeping everything organized. Miro offers powerful features like frames and tags, helping you manage large projects and ensure everyone stays focused. Integrating with tools you already use, like Slack, Google Drive, and Trello, Miro fits seamlessly into your workflow, enhancing your productivity without the hassle. Whether you're in a creative meeting or mapping out a project, Miro provides a flexible and dynamic space for collaboration. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. If you find this video helpful, so make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button.